The reason why we built FAPSCO is to unite the Filipino online professionals industry, to also promote collaboration with each other, and of course, we wanted to help produce skilled online professionals, specialists, and of course, leaders.
We've created POPSCO with a vision to become an organization that supports all Filipino online professionals to be successful in their online careers and businesses, regardless of their affiliations.
I joined FAPSCO because as an online professional who's working at the comfort of my home, I needed other individual can share with me on this freelancing journey.
The reason why we have built the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative is to help the ICT graduates, aspirant freelancers, and this is also to help them develop, explore, and acquire new skills when it comes to online professional industry.
Ang paglambo o kalampusan sa usa ka organisasyon nagadepende sa kalidad sa mga miyembro o mga lideres niini. Ang FAPSCO dili lang adunay maanindot kayo nga advokasya o misyon na matabangan kitang tanang mga online professionals na magkahiusa, mulambo o mutubo kita sa atong pagpanarbaho o pagnegosyo online.
FAPSCO for me is a digital opportunity for me to develop and share my skills.
I joined FAPSCO as one of the founding members because I knew FAPSCO is going to be backed by other veteran online professionals and freelancers, thereby having an experienced, solid, and passionate founding members that we have today.
I joined FAPSCO because the vision of the co-op aligns with my personal vision to provide much-needed support to online professionals nationwide.
I joined FAPSCO because the people that I've met have the same values, mission, and vision as mine, and that is to provide assistance, pre-training, and coaching to those who wants to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
I joined the FAPSCO community because it promotes collaboration instead of competition.
I joined FAPSCO because this is a group with a helping hand.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelance.
Yung lipstick ko nawawala. And that's a big yes. And yes, we really are going together, getting bigger and better here at FAPSCO Academy. At saka, bakit ba nawawala yung lipstick ko? Hello world, hello Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, hello Pilipinas. I am yours truly, Celeste. And I'll be your moderator for tonight pagkatapos ng mahaba-habang panahon ng pagbabakasyon. And this virtual program is tailored for our FAPSCO members, for our DICT graduates and aspiring online freelancers who want to develop, upskill and reskill and explore more about the online freelancing industry. This is also, of course, in collaboration with FAPSCO Media and the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative. Ang haba nun, sorry. And sana panalangin ko talaga na may makakasama ako ngayon. Bakit ako nabubulol? Kasi excited ako sa magiging guest natin for tonight. At saka, kinabog ako sa ganda. My goodness. Binagyot, binaha pa somewhere there sa area nila, pero as is pa rin yung ganda. Okay, so for those who are with us tonight, please, reminder lang din, bakit umaabot yung lipstick ko dito? Okay, so kindly put yung house rules natin while having our webinar for tonight. So first and foremost, kindly put your phone in silence mode, mute unnecessary noise, except ako, kahit madadala ko, noise that can and interfere with our webinar. And of course, we are seeking for your active participation, especially yung topic natin for tonight is hindi lang very interesting, although ano siya, isa siguro sa masasabi kong pinakamahirap na skill na matutunan, aralin sa online freelancing, but dahil meron tayong guest, aside sa ganda at saka talino, ay nako, wapak. Basta sa copywriting and all, she is a go-to person. And also, let me remind you that our question and answer for our, hindi para sa akin yung question and answer, para sa ating guest speaker po yan, will follow after the discussion with our speaker. And sa lahat ng naka-join sa ating episode for tonight, can you type in your location, yung name, at saka yung mga pa-short art ninyo. Okay. So, before anything else, kakalampagin ko rin yung mga tao na nandyan sa Zamboanga City, the Asia's Latin City. Okay? Wherein, doon hineld yung PuffCon 2023. So, kalampagin natin si Miss Alex, si Sir Dennis, and the rest of the Fopsco gang. Mga biggest natin sa Fopsco na nandun sa Zamboanga City sharing their experiences at saka giving inspirational talk. Then, dun sa PuffCon 2023. And without further ado, speaker. Okay. Wag na. Okay, so for tonight, let me introduce you to our guest for tonight. Ang haba ng bio niya, pero paikliin natin kasi mahaba-haba rin yung pag-uusapan natin later. Okay, so we have this. She believes that life. Sana CJ may background music tayo na every time na mababasa ako ng bio, no? Okay, parang maalaala mo kaya yung tech. Okay, so she believes that life and building a business can be simple. But like copywriting, the simple things are the hardest ones to curate. Ay, yan, makaka-relate ako yan. That's why our guest for tonight shares a no-nonsense tips of what worked for her in her newsletter, her free writing community, and with selected people she mentors under Cash Social, the SaaS agency she co-founded, and the freelance movement tribe. Oy, hello nga pala, Sir John Pagulayan, nandun sa Zamboanga, baka naman. Okay, so without further ado, allow me to introduce to you mga ka-Fops Lancers, our guest for tonight, none other than the beautiful, dapat may drum roll, no? Miss Aiza Domincio. Hello, Miss Aiza.
Hello, Celeste. Good evening. Ang taas ng energy. I love it.
Hindi, kinakabahan lang ako. Basta ganito. Hello, Miss Aiza. How are you? And what's keeping you busy right now? O just, parang
Ngayon, yung anak ko, kasi nagsa-school na, so medyo makulit siya. So, yan, everyday adventure, papunta sa school.
Oo, di ba? Especially now na balik eskwela na naman, hindi lang mga estudyante nagbabalik eskwela, pati na rin yung mga nanay, at saka mga tatay, at saka mga lola, mga yayas, and there. Okay? So,
yes.
For the information to everybody, Miss Aiza, could you tell us more about yourself aside from the bio that I've shared with them?
Ayun, so, ano pa ba? I'm a mom and a writer. I really love writing mula pa dati. So, that's why yung presentation today is also about writing. Ayun.
Okay, thank you for that. I myself, Miss Aiza, is parang feeling writer din. Way back during my high school and college days.
Okay.
parang, ano bang tawag doon? Yung my own version of some
Mm-mm.
stories and novels. So, I wrote the
Ah,
ending I preferred. Eto yung gusto ko.
nice.
Parang
Oo.
sinusulat ko lahat yung mga scenes
Mm-mm.
or yung mga plots,
Mm-mm.
yung mga twist and
Mm-mm.
twist, eto yung gusto ko. And also,
Mm-mm.
some of my colleagues way back, we exchanged a lot of different kinds of poems, mostly
Wow.
freestyle.
Oo.
Okay, so that's why I'm
Nice.
excited to learn more from you. Okay, Miss
Baka ikaw
Aiza.
magtuturo sa akin. Fiction.
Okay, so Miss Aiza, so ano tayo? Kulang yung isang oras, kaya the virtual floor is yours.
Okay. So, i-share ko na yung ano ko, screen. Let me see. Share screen. Ayan, parang iba yung mga options. Pero let me know, guys, if you can see my screen.
Yes, Miss Aiza, your screen is
Ayan.
right now.
Alright. So, yeah, let's start. Kasi medyo mahaba nga siya. So, for tonight, I wanted to share this 4 content creation myths for every freelancer that mga nakausap ko. So, parang hesitant sila mag-value post. Alam niyo ba, guys, yung value posting? It's where you create content, whether on TikTok, or on Facebook, or on LinkedIn. So, and normally, there are like 4 things that would stop them from creating content online. So, tonight, I want to help you bust this content creation tips. So, are you ready, guys?
Ready.
Ayan. So, let's start. So, for tonight, we are going to learn why we need to create a content for your personal brand, like right now. And the second part is doon na tayo sa mga content creation myths that we need to bust so that we can start showing up like confidently online. And the third one is AI time. So if you have ChatGPT, ready nyo na din in the middle of our workshop here, we will do a little something para naman after this presentation, you have something that you can use so that you can write na din online. And fourth will be Q&A. Ayun. Alright, so I think nabakilala na ako ni Celeste, so I wouldn't go over my life story, but these are like just some of the places that I've been published. Ayan, TFMT, Female Network, mga ano lang, contribute articles.
Wow. Hindi naman siya bigatin, guys, no? Parang ano lang, slight lang. Yung wala pa tayo sa kalighigan.
Mga ano lang, mga one time. Yung mga Female Network and Money Max, so mga 1 to 3 articles lang ayun. But anyway, i-share ko na yan sa inyo. Like, so you too can like create content online. So the first one, why create content for your personal brand? Medyo advocate ako nito kasi regardless, kahit may clients tayo or we're on a day job, kunwari, kahit dati may day job din ako, I was an engineer. So that didn't stop me then from creating like something to call my own. So parang personal brand mo online, your presence online. Although anonymous ako dati pag mag-vlog ako. So these are like some of the reasons. 'Di ba? Andiyan na yung like AI ngayon. So it's easy kasi I've been hearing din yung mga writers na they've lost now their jobs because yung clients nila mag-AI na lang. And then ano pa ba? Another benefit of building your personal brand online is you can sell like literally anything. Like kung mag-e-commerce ka man or magbenta ka man ng professional services mo, there will be people who will support you as long as you have built na parang a following and you have kahit konti lang, just need people to support you. And lastly, yung favorite ko, gusto kasi ako yung hinahabol ng mga clients. So, ayoko maghabol.
Ay, ganun. Sana may naghahabol. Gaya ni Miss Aiza. Oo.
Ayan. So, parang ano lang yan siya. Parang inbound kung baga. Kasi diba, content, if you have that online, parang pag makita ni client, pag nagustuhan niya, syempre, that would mean meron ka na namang prospect. So, ito lang yung mga perks.
And Miss Aiza, before you proceed, Miss Aiza, may gustong magpahabol din.
Ano yung
kumakaway si Miss Jane Maghanaway from she's watching the Forbibos Cavite, but actually yung twin sister niya, she's Akala ko nandun siya sa sa bagay, hindi pala si Sir Dennis. So she's excited. He is excited to see you. And then si Miss Team Baguio.
Ay, oh.
Bisyo,
Yeah, I know
bisyo.
them.
And
Hello.
also, may nagpapahabol din si Miss Eliza Yap. Gusto din
Oo,
niya may
hello.
humabol din sa kanila. Okay, there you go, guys.
Ayun. So, yan. So, hopefully, when you create content, yung ending nito, yung the outcome that I also want for you, yun nga, parang may maghahabol sa atin na clients or customers man yan. Alright. So, let's start. So, before we proceed, parang interactive siya. Like, how do you guys feel ba about posting online? Kasi freelancers, di ba, yung mga nanonood sa atin tonight, Celeste. So,
First, yung
yeah.
yung first time ko to do any posting to be visible online. It's kinda, since I am kinda ambivert / introvert,
Okay.
minsan, parang ako conscious ka on what you're going
diba?
to present to the public. Diba? Kasi hindi mo alam kung sino ang makakabasa ng ipopost mo. And then,
True.
and then for some, especially if they really don't know yung target audience nila, as in walay plangak.
Oo nga, ganun. So, yun, naka-conscious ka, diba? And sa mga viewers din, if gusto nyo mag-share din like, sa FB Live, ayan, nakikita ko din, naka-on yung comments ko. So, yun, feel free din to participate. So, isa lang yan sa mga magko-conscious ka. So, ito yung mga iba, sa mga narinig ko. Yung iba, medyo nahihiya. Yung iba naki-cringe sa content nila. Tapos yung iba, medyo na-worry or na-anxiety sila pag mag-post sila. And yung
Isa parang ako yan.
Ikaw pa. Ayan, market research. So, ayan. And ito yung favorite ko din na sinasabi nila, ubos oras daw, tapos pati brain cells daw nila, nahirapan daw sila magsalat. So, yun. But tonight, hopefully, ma-change natin yan. And ito lang yung mga iba pang, like what will happen if you don't, like build up your personal brand. So, letting your brand get dusty, kumbaga online, is a dangerous place to be. Kasi nga, di ba, as freelancers, parang, we always need clients and yung mga clients natin hindi sila like forever. Hopefully merong forever, no? Pero like freelancers given na yan na parang every now and then malay mo si client will pause the contract kasi business din yan eh. You'll never know what will happen din sa business nila. So it's really important na we have our parang online resume na natin yan eh, yung content natin. Hindi lang yung LinkedIn profile. Pero lahat ng mga pinopost mo is, it's for us din. So, yun nga. What if you suddenly lose your job? Hindi lang freelancing client, pero pati na din, diba, minsan, sa day job. Parang, yun, kailangan nyo mag-force leave and all. So, kailangan mo din talaga, parang may sarili kang brand. So, you can, makabangon ka kaagad, kumbaga. Ayan. And the last time I've shared this webinar, kasi parang shinare ko din to sa group ko, and I've asked them then to create content. So, yan ang sinabi. Maganda pala mag-create na content, kaya hindi siya pala nakaka-anxiety. So, ayun. Ayan, pares kayong nafe-feel. I felt anxious initially, then great out. So, hopefully, with you guys sa mga nanonood, will like the same outcome. So, yun. And ito yung sneak preview. If you have ChatGPT, we will try to create this for you. So, yung parang output natin by the end of the session. So, I will show you how to do this later on. So, and little caveat lang, hindi naman tayo naghahangad na maging famous or mag-TikTok famous or maging vlogger famous. Pero it's more about aligning our self-reflection on what we feel. And also, ito din nag-stand out sa akin when I saw this quote. Yung you get credit, you get the credit for what you're great at. Kasi diba sa trabaho na parang, sabihin mo, if nasa job ka pa, parang, ba't siya na-promote? Magaling naman ako, but hindi ako na-recognize. Diba,
Pinagtagbo, pero hindi tinagtana.
Oo, parang ganun. So, as freelancers, din minsan sabi mo, ba't siya, ang dami niyang clients, parang feeling mo, mas naman ang saya. Probably, hindi ka lang visible online, or hindi mo naman ibida yung ginagawa mo. So, you owe it to yourself then to share what you do para mas madami ka pang matutunan. Ayun. Okay, so, ito din yung mga samples. If, di ba, I've been doing content like I've been experimenting, na parang serious na ako sa mga content ko sa Facebook, like for the past 2 years. And these are like usually the messages that I receive. And these are the people, mga leads to, actually. Ay, yung iba naging client ko din. Like, yan, minsan may mag-message lang na writing ba kayo? Ito, sabi niya, I wanted your help on a startup. Yung isa na chocolate, sabi niya, ay, isa may possible project. So, parang, project na kaagad. So, parang hindi pa nga kami nag-uusap. Parang they really want to work with me. And yung mga iba, ito mas ko lang dati. And I really don't know na nag-freela yung iba and connected to organizations that will need writers. So, yun lang. And mind you, these are the people who don't engage usually with my post. Parang diretso lang talaga silang message. Parang may intent na talaga to start a project. So, they usually don't like or comment or share sa posts ko. But they do want to like work with me. So, yun din yung isang reminder na if ever you post content at walang nagla-like or nagko-comment, it's okay. Kasi yung mga target market mo, parang mga lurkers lang sila or mga prospects. So, it's okay. Okay, so another icebreaker before we start. Ito I encourage you guys to like chat yung mga answer questions ko. And ikaw din, Celeste, like I say client, pili ko makaka-relate ka dito. Did the name come up?
Yes.
LOI. Napatawa ka. How about you guys? Yung iba dito. Sige, kwento ko muna.
Wag na, baka mo-blop.
Wag ka na mag-name drop.
Oo, it's ano kasi, siguro it's, parang later on, parang inaano ko na lang, Miss Aiza, it's, my maturity level at that time, handling, multitasking na talaga na at that time. So, yung maturity level ko, hindi pa ganun kataas yung level of understanding ko on sa task at hand. Hindi ko pa masyadong gamay. Pero, ganun pa rin.
Basta meron talagang challenging clients every now and then. Ayan. So yung iba, ayan si Tin, meron siyang sinabi. Pinush ko talaga to show up consistently. Ayan. Yeah, oo, nakikita ko nga yung mga post ni Tin. Wow, meron akong pasalubong.
Yes, at saka si Miss Aiza, may nagpapahabol din. Baka may maalala siyang yung sinabi mong a toxic client. Si kanino bang name? Si Sir Mark Salinas. Pagagaling na ang sakit.
Ay, bongga naman.
Baka naman, nagpasubunan, Sir Mark.
Opa.
Saka si Miss Kian, who's watching from Aklan. Okay. Hello, guys. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so go.
Ayan. So, ito pa yung next question. Nag-participate ka na ba sa Gulatin Mo Sila trend?
Ay, meron akong kakilala, Miss Aiza. Oo. Meron. Ang dami nila. Isa na dyan, si Sir Dennis Pagyo. At saka si Miss Jane Maghanoy, na ginulat tayo sa then and before and after pick nila. O, diba?
Hindi ko nakita. Tingnan ko mamaya. Tingnan ko mamaya. Ayan. So, ito naman. Last question. Coffee with milk or tea with tea?
Pwede
tea
both.
As in cheese both?
Pwede both.
Sige. Pwede din naman. Pero,
habang nagchichika, umiinom tayo ng kape, parang hindi tayo antokin, di ba? So, the conversation,
yes.
Humahaba yung conversation.
Ayan. So, yun. So, buti na lang active si Miss Celeste kasi medyo tahimik yung audience natin. Nakikinig sila siguro.
Oo, kasi giniginaw sila doon sa Zamboanga City kasi umuulan na daw. Ayan! By the way, may tayo, pag-asa update, may LPA tayong papasok. But do not worry, hindi ito magiging bagyo. Okay, so, stay safe everybody.
Yan. So, yan. Done na tayo sa icebreaker. So, hopefully, yung mga nanonood din, yun, you have like answers din to this. Kahit nasa isip mo lang. Ayan, o diba? Ang dami niyong sinabi, lalo na si Celeste. Ang dami shinare. So, kahit yung mga ganung thoughts nyo lang, parang pwede mo na actually yan i-content. Diba? Like si Celeste, yung sinabi mo na nung una mo palang mag-freelance yung toxic client mo, parang hindi pa ganun ka deep yung understanding mo. O, di ba? Pwede mo na yan lessons I've learned from...
Ay, ganun. Pwede ko nang gawing content. Actually,
Oo,
pwede
pwede
ko
na.
isulat sa journal yan.
Ayan, di ba? Parang konting twist na yan. Like, kung content mo na yan. So, yan, nabas na natin yung meet number 1. Kasi usually, sasabihin nila, wala silang maipost. Pero pag magkwento ka sa kaibigan mo, di ba? Or kahit sino sa atin, pag may kakwentuhan tayo na kaibigan or ka-close natin, di ba, hindi tayo nawawala ng topic. Parang kulang pa nga yung oras eh. And ito, yung scientific study. It was found that the average person daw, meron tayong libong-libong thoughts per day. Ayan, hindi lang 1,000, kundi up to 60,000 thoughts per day. So if we take the time and write down all the thoughts down, we could actually write a book each day. So kahit isang post lang, so this shows na parang pwede naman pala, ang dami na natin naisip. Pero yung disconnect lang is, hindi lang natin ma-position yung mga yun, pag-translate yung content. Pero actually, you think about it, yung mga thoughts natin, kahit yung mga babaw lang, minsan yung mga TV shows na pinapanood ko, tina-translate ko lang on how it relates to freelancing or di nga into copywriting. So, ayun, may values na ako. So, it's hard practice. Pa-translate. Yun nga, yung magandang word. So, yung mga thoughts mo, i-ano mo lang, you find a path na ma-relate mo siya sa current offer mo or kung sa anumang freelancing service mo. So, pwede na yung pang-content. Ayun. Ayan. Ewan ko kung nag-agree sila. Tingnan natin.
Oo, sabi dito ni Miss Leslie Ann Ancheta, ako nahihiyapan mag-isip ng isusulat at magsulat. Ito, Miss Leslie, ika nga sa scientific study na shinare ni Miss Aiza sa atin, no, yun, we have, an average person has about 12,000 to 3,000 thoughts per day. So, imagine mo, ilang megabytes na ba yun? Diba? So,
diba?
Isang buong libro, diba?
Oo, ayan. So, yun. So, yun yung myth number 1. Dito na tayo sa number 2. Sabi ng iba din, Celeste, parang, I run out of things to say. Ganon. Parang, ayaw nila mag-ulit ng content. So, parang ano lang yan, outfit. Pwede mo naman siyang i-repeat. Unless mayaman ka talaga na, or artista ka, hindi ka pwede mag-repeat ng outfit. Di ba big deal sa mga artista yun? Mag-repeat ng gown.
Marami akong artistang kakilala. Diba?
Talaga?
Parang feeling, ano na, FC na FC. Sabi ng Miss Martin na BFF ko, na it's a matter of you put things together and kind of confidence.
Ayan, ayan. Close pala kayo ni Heart. Hindi ako na-inform. Pero ayan, so magandang example.
Yeah.
So, yun na, kung baga, yung mga thoughts or yung mga ideas natin, 'di ba? Parang outfit lang 'yan. Pwede mo siyang ulit-ulitin. You just have to find different ways to present it. 'Di ba? Na-relate kay Heart Evangelista. So parang gano'n, you can actually repeat ideas. So doesn't mean na nag-post ka kunwari ng about copywriting today, pagkabukas dapat ibang topic na naman. So it's okay to repeat ideas. Actually, it's even more recommended to read your ideas para people will really go for that certain idea. Like ako, may second slide tayo dyan. But example natin, Justin Welsh, so all he talks about is entrepreneurship. So bawat post niya, soloprenneurship, parang iba, he just finds 1,000 different ways. So yung niyang sinasabi, like learn how to sing in 1,000 different ways. So, don't get discouraged, or it's just a myth, like you run out of things. Just find other ways on how to say it, and you can always repeat ideas. And another thing is, yung distribution. Even si Justin Welsh, tinuturo niya na yung mga content niya, like 4 months ago or 3 months ago, ni-republish niya.
Yeah.
Ganon. So, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman lahat makakaalala na pinost mo like for 2023. So, di ba? Yung reach ni Facebook, konting-konti lang din talaga compared sa. So, it's okay to repeat. Yan. Pero hindi naman na same exactly like every week. Ganun. Bigyan mo din ng like time. Ayan. And, ito din, yung, kasi may din ako art dati. So, dati parang na-stuck ako. Parang, how can I create art every day? I found a tip na sabi doon is, parang ganito, anong i-art mo or i-draw mo, just stick with one object, draw it every day. like for 31 days daw, ganun. So just, change it a bit. For example, yung mermaid art challenge. So all they have to do is draw mermaids, like every day for 31 days. Pero these are like different styles that they can draw mermaids. So the same with content. You can, like, if I topic mo, freelancing, pero for 31 days, iba-iba. Kunwari, when freelancing, the lessons I've learned from my first client, yung sa'yo, di ba? How did I get my first client? Ano pa ba? The money I got from my first freelancing client. Di ba? Parang freelancing client lang yan. My first freelancing. You could have, like, a lot of things about that.
Yeah, my first heartbreak with my first
diba?
client.
My first heartbreak, my first freelancing. So, hanapan ng different ways. Like that, rin. Ayan. And then, proof din, start creating content online. Parang magra-rub yan yung mga thoughts mo if you keep on talking about one thing, other people. Like there was a time, I think this year, I was always talking about slow living. Tapos may group on the types of content that they like sa mga post. Madami yung nag-mention ng slow living. Andin ako, doon ko lang realize na wala kasi ako for a while. So, people remember you for it. And I talk about it. Parang in-inject ko siya sa mga post ko. So, I didn't know na they remember me for slow living. So, that's in content online. It helps if you can talk about it different ways. Ayan. So, nandito tayo. Diba guys, di ko na tayo.
Oo. Sabi ni Miss Tin, dito sa isa, Miss Tin says daw yung when it comes to content writing. Nahanap niya pa lang daw yun. Sana daw si forever. Oo. Sana daw sa mini Sir Denny.
Ayan. So, dito tayo. Yung iba, I can post consistency. Ayan. So, maybe kasi consistency, I can post something every day. Ganito na talaga. Pero, it will have different kind of consistency. Like ako, hindi naman na, ikaw ka din, diba? Dito tayo, sir, right? Huwag tayo sa
real talk lang mga ka-Pops Lancers. Wala once in a blue moon na mangyayari yung nasa left side presentation units. Nakasuro kahit yung mga yung sa post mo, or post sa social media, nag-glitch din, o para nila yung nasa right side na presentation.
True, oo. Kaya kasi may ibang work style or parang lifestyle or energy management. Like ako, di ba may kid ako. So parang nahirap talaga ako on some days. Lalo na like today, medyo mas matigas yung ulo niya. So syempre, hindi ako makavalue post ng bongga-bongga today. So it's okay. What you can be consistent is sa topic. So if you post like once a week or basta you just try to show up every now and then.
Yes,
minsan mahabang post. Oo, ganun. And yun nga, minsan ito lang talaga yung content ko. Ayan parang hey, tapos lahat ng emoji. Tapos sabi ko, when you're on vacay, but you still need to content and show up. So minsan ganyan lang talaga kababa ko. So yun.
For Christmas eyes, some people think, for example, the entry or just like what you said, ganyan na kababaw. Mga content post mo, just like what you said right now. But your post might interpret it differently. Say for example, parang i-charge ng energy, parang nakaka-relate. Parang nakaka-relate ako sa ni Miss Aiza na ang energy, pero in real life pala Miss Aiza. Oo.
Ayan, minsan ganyan lang, simpleng content. Okay na yan. Ayan. And meron din ito, Mac is friend ko siya. Tapos, palagi siyang nagjo-joke kasi si Rest. So, ito yung example. So, just be consistent about your topics and style up to a point na akala nila na-hack ka na if mag-change mood ka. Kasi si Mac, yung friend ko, taga-tribe din, binamig sa jokes, and then all of a sudden, nag-quote siya ng seryoso. When you're practicing on how to manage, sabi namin na comments. Tapos sila, asan na yung mga funny posts? Sabi niya kay Elon Musk. So, parang ginoke din siya sa comment kasi parang hindi siya, ayan, nag-comment din ako. Sabi ko, where's the joke po? Ayan. Ano ko na today?
Wala yung comment isa. May page na hosting yung Maya. May admin na siya. May admin na project na.
Kaya nga.
Diba?
So, yun. Ganyan ako. So, nung time na to, nagulat siya. Sabi niya, ba't ang daming nag-comment nito? So, dito na parang nakabuo na pala siya ng personal brand of being a joker. And kahit magpa-quote-quote lang siya, I think may nagdadaanan siya siguro today, tapos nag-post siya. Like, parang hindi siya on brand, kumbaga. Kaya, yun. On how to build a personal brand. So, yun. Next myth na tayo. Ang bilis natin. Last myth na tayo. Yung sabi din ng iba sila, hindi sila makaka-write. Pero I think that's a myth. Kasi lahat tayo, I think written something at some point in our lives, parang nag-email ka, balik lang tayo lahat. So, pag mag-email ka, parang nag-text ka din. Kung chika siguro sa friend mo, messenger husband, chinichika mo din. So, you can write actually, hindi ka translate in book and see. And kahit yung mga comments sa FB, sa FB, afford and hindi naman ChatGPT. So, ako tulungan nila ako. Pinapaano ko ng ChatGPT na nalagay pang post on LinkedIn. Tapos, mag-generate siya. Tapos, edit. So, if din, na parang hirap ka magsulat, magandang parang start si ChatGPT. So, parang hindi na siya maging excuse for now. I can write kasi nga, dami na yun. Create content and madami ng AI tools. So, yun yung course on content creation. Yan. And actually ka mag-write na content, marami ka pang kailangan malaman mga flavors. So, natural na to, hindi ka siya sa talk na to, kaya mag-short na tayo today. Ayan, sa mga nanonood sa atin, if gusto nyo maki-join, bukan ka sa GPT.
Ayun.
Ready ka na. Ayan, so mag-AI na tayo. Ayan, patayin natin lahat. If you're ready. Ikaw ka sa GPT. Meron pa bang hindi na kailangan GPT? Kailangan hindi naman freelancer si Pusaw. Ayan. So, ayan. Ita lang natin yung prompt. Have ChatGPT, okay, ito na. Ito yung gagawin natin for you. So, we'll ask ChatGPT to help you like draft your personal vision or yung selling proposition mo para different other people. And so, yung mga topics that you can talk about para content mo. Hindi ka mag-isip, hindi mo ubers mo. Ayan. So, start. Ito lang yung sasabihin mo. Pero very naman yung mga your own. ChatGPT, hey, I'm Aida, I'm a boy mom, di ba na talaga yung mga mom. And then, engineering character, as marketer. And I love, so lang yung like I mga descriptions mo about yourself. And you want to have yung freelancing offer mo, anong niche, para makapag-sa'yo si ChatGPT. Tapos sabi kaya kami ko offer, what ginagawa ko siyang makika. What do you think? Ayan. Nagkakasi sila. So, seryoso siya, guys.
Yes.
Sige, go.
It's
para makita natin.
Just to share din,
Sige, go.
when it comes to create or asking ChatGPT for help, it's a matter of how you write your prompts. Kasi maraming ang naglalabas sa mga right way to write your prompts, parang level up na mga content. It's a matter of paano maging tao yung content na generate ni ChatGPT. Kasi yung present sa amin ngayon, parang nilalo yung visyo ni ChatGPT sa shoes mo, di ba? So, ChatGPT will be able to test na tama sa personality mo. Tayo ngayon.
Actually, tama yun. So, yung talaga, that yung input mo, para maganda din yung output ni ChatGPT. Ayan. So, okay ka na din. Pwede na tayo. Next slide. Ayan. So, si ChatGPT may pagkabulero din. Ayan. Diba sabi? You've got a big journey. Ganon. Ayan. So, sana usapin mo ng ChatGPT kasi talaga. Nagawang best friend or kausap si ChatGPT.
Minsan natin na-textan sa atin yung yung mga telecom companies na nakadami yung bill na you can actually turn to ChatGPT.
Ayan. So, yun. Tapos, ayan, dito yung na siya. Like, can you help them out with a mission? Ayan. Parang guide ko pa siya. I want to help others in this. So, making it over. Tapos, ayan, nag-suggest din naman si ChatGPT. And, pinagawa ko pa siya ng repost. Kasi sabi ko, I'll post edit to LinkedIn. So, yun, nagawa din naman yan. Pero, kailangan i-edit. Post like, copy-paste from ChatGPT. Na directly. Kaya pangit. Pero ma-OA ChatGPT mag-edit. Diba? Extend siya. Ayan, hey there, what are you doing? Hindi ako yun eh. Pwede mo na din siya i-train. Pero, bakit? Medyo OA ka lang mo. Kaya tinutone down ko. Pwede mo din naman sa can you make more simple? Gano'n. Pero sana OA-han ako. Minsan man ng emoji. And alam ko yung mga nag-chat emoji, ay, nag-GPT sa mga Facebook. Pag
alam ng pattern.
Wala kaya sabi ko, ChatGPT. Ayan. And
paubos ng characters.
Ay, oo. Ayan na, ito na. Parang yung prompt, makuha kayo ng table. Can you also summarize into a table? O, di ba, minsan yung mga request ko, di ba, mali yung grammar ko, or parang hindi siya klaro, pero naiintindihan naman. Can you summarize it in the personal mission, what I do, and selling proposition, and topics that I can talk about? Yung topics for my content, given sa pag-uusap namin. Ayan. So, ito na, nakapaglipin sa personal mission, what I do, tapos unique selling. Tsaka, ito yung favorite ko, yung mga topics to talk about. Diyan na lang ako ng content ko for future use. Ayan. Ang ganda din ng mga session strategies to combat freelance burnout, embracing slow living on a fast-paced world. Ayan. And, minsan, nagyan ka ng maraming specific, original, sa bago mong command. Like, ito, correct skill. Tapos, nagyan ko din. Kasi gusto ko different lagi. So, ito ka nag-topics. Dala ko, and bullet points. Hindi na, bullet points to, pero nakakuha. And yun, niya lang din yung libon. Ano pa ba? Ayan. Personal attributes, and ano ways to freelance burnout. So, live hacks, ayan. So, maano din siya. Maganda din na siyang job content. Ayan. And ito lang. Hindi naman yung kanina. Sinasabi ko, can you turn this LinkedIn post into 5 words? Tapos, andyan na ka. So, yun talaga yung excuse today na hindi ka makakontent kasi madami ng tools. And, yeah, I think may questions na tayo.
Okay, there you have it. So, lahat naman sa iba, Ms. Aiza, that there are a lot of their clients bumibon sa nila o diba, heartbroken yung ibang mga freelancers na dyan, mga fellow freelancers. Kasi nga may AI tools na ginagamit. What to say, hindi lang nakaramihan Ms. Aiza. Ang totoong paggamit, ano bang tamang gamit ng mga tools? Kasi minsan, yung sa, maliit yung tito, alam mo, kasi, di ba, maraming emojis. At saka yung start ng line, di ba? Parang generic na generic. At yung tone. Parang nakikita mo kasi yung brand voice mo. Oh, parang, parang another topic to discuss.
Yes.
So, having those AI tools like ChatGPT can be very helpful. Especially pag create ng content. Hindi lang para sa mga kanya-kanyang mga social media accounts or platforms, pati na sa mga clients natin, di ba?
Oo, pag nagko-content ka for clients.
Especially pag naka-pro, shout out Sir Dennis, Sir Mark Jane,
na alam.
Tsaka Miss Tiago, tsaka Sir Ian. O, di ba, na nasa Zamboanga na yun? O, di ba? Shout out din sa lahat. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Aiza. Okay, so may nakatanong dito. From Anonymous. Sino ba itong Anonymous na ito?
Anonymous.
Okay. Question. How do you create content po for a client? Or parang ganito. Paano po ninyo sasabihin ni client na hindi generated ng ChatGPT yung create yung content? Ay. Ano ba yung sabi? Oo.
Actually, yung hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin sa client mo na, uy, client, ginagamit ako ng ChatGPT para gumawa ng content mo. So, parang siya, it's more yun. Unless, medyo micromanager si client talaga na nagtatanong, how do you come up with the content? Pero kadalasan sa mga premium na clients kasi, they just want like the output. Kung ano yung hiningi nila sa'yo, yun lang naman yung gusto nilang makuha. And they don't really go into the details of paano mo siya ginawa. So, yun. So, unless the client will ask you, kung naman yun siya sabihin. Pero yun, as I've said, hindi dapat na parang na-generate ni ChatGPT. Diretso mo na paste, copy-paste. Kasi minsan may mga mali pa din si ChatGPT. Hindi niya magsabi minsan. And kailangan pa rin niya ng intervention natin as humans and copywriters and freelancers na dapat ayusin din natin output. So just use ChatGPT for parang to jumpstart mag-plan for idea. Pero not really to write. Wala pa si ChatGPT sa yun. So hopefully I've answered your question.
Okay, thank you so much.
Bakit nagtatanong ba yung client nito?
At ang great na answer din. Dito, may pahabol si Miss Leslie. Ano sabi niya, pero mahirap yung talaga i-translate para diba? Mas dami ko na ko everyday. Ay, makakagawa na ako ng book. Isang book, pa. So, Robert Kiyot, talking na chat. Word that. Para maging best-selling model.
Parang DJ. Alam mo yun, nakikinig ako sa radyo.
Oh my God. Thank you. Okay, parang isang pwede kong gawing service. Gagawa ko na. Dito yung ngayong gabi. Promise, paano ko i-launch yung sarili ko? Podcaster. Di ba? Social. Hindi DJ podcast.
Podcaster pala.
Yeah, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Mga fellow Pops Lancers, meron naman tayo maraming natutunan when it comes to copywriting. Ako ito din nila client kasi meron ng mga ChatGPT content writing na para sa kanila. Do not spread up. Kasi yung authentic you pa rin ang hahanapin ni forever client. Diba? Yayaman. If you have questions na gusto iba ayan. Feel free to contact her through her socials. Yung social media pwede kami makakonect sa'yo.
Wala ka writing lang eh. Pero pwede din Aiza Coronado yung name. Pwede din sila dito.
Okay, so meron siya community. Writing can be easy. Writing non-binary freelance job. Step 1. Okay. Okay. So, anything else that you want to share with us before we end our program for tonight, Miss Aiza? Review po.
Promotion. Actually, wala pa akong ongoing. Pero kasi yung authentic content, visibility where I have freelancers and entrepreneurs. So, may pag-alalim kasi parang magsisila talaga. Madami na silang madaming workshop or madami akong pinapagawa sa kanila. Madaming thinking. Not really like content writing or of branding and also like writing authentic content na resonate. So, wala. So, but pwede sila dito sa writing group if they ever wanna take writing or even offer like copywriting for clients. Yan.
Okay, so alam kong kulang pa ang oras natin para ma-share ng kape, maipo natin tayo sa kaalaman ng lalim, kaalaman sa copywriting, pero maalala din pa natin ma-impact Academy. And so, with that, Miss Aiza, thank you so much for crazy.
Thank you.
Meron bang palakpakan? Drum next na daw.
Ay, ganun.
Okay, and for that, Miss Aiza, meron kaming ibibigay sa iyo. As a of appreciation, paki-flash lang.
Ay, stop ko na. Mag-stop share ako. Ayan.
Okay, thank you so much. Stop share. Para prepare pa. Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, sisend na lang namin yung
Sige. No worries.
email. Okay. So, there you have it, mga fellow Pops Lancers, how to create an authentic copyright based on mga learnings natin na nakuha from Miss Aiza. Again, thank you so much, Miss Aiza. At sana
Thanks,
ma-invite po namin kayo on there. At saka